Hello, I'm Ayushi Chabra and I did 1 month internship with Culture Legends as the social media marketing intern. During the time of internship, I learned several things about social media marketing and editing. My talent managers Nandini and Karthi were very encouraging and always supported me. The team building sessions were really amazing and so much fun. The internship involved a lot of networking even though it was an online internship. All the team members were really supportive throughout the internship. It was a great experience and I learned a lot. Thank you.
True understanding comes from experience. Thank you to Culture Allegiance for this amazing opportunity. I have learned many new things as well as been given the opportunity to showcase my skills and my creativity. I have also gotten the opportunity to work with an amazing group of people that showed me new things every day. I know that whatever I've learned from this internship will definitely be useful to me in the future. Thank you once again for this opportunity.
Being a social media intern at Culture Legends was definitely a wondrous opportunity and it enabled me to learn and grow in so many ways. It unfolded serendipitous events and gave me the opportunity to prove my mettle as a successful intern. Everyone at the company was very approachable and they have an extremely organized work environment. Lastly, this past 1 month was truly exciting and I am grateful to have been given this opportunity to intern at Culture Legends.
Hi guys, my name is Divya Singh Parihar and today I'll be sharing my experience with Culture Legends. So it was a great working experience with Culture Legends for past 1 month. I joined as a social media marketing intern. Being from the management background, this internship opportunity opened up a platform of learning for me. I explored and understood the various insights of social media marketing. Coming up to the culture of the Culture Intelligence, so I quite enjoy the regular team meets, brainstorm session and all the fun activities that was being organized by my team leaders. At last, I would like to thank Calin for being such an amazing partner throughout this internship. Apart from that, I would also like to propose the vote of thanks to Karthi and Nandini for being an incredible and supportive mentor throughout this internship. And also thank you Culture Diligence for giving me such an amazing opportunity to work with you all. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, this is Ria. I have been interning with Culture Diligence for around a month now. The best part about Culture Diligence is that the team consisted of both interns from India as well as South Africa. So I got to know them also and to work along with them. And talking about my internship, so it was a great experience. I was given complete liberty of trying new things and to explore more social media. So overall it was a great experience. Thank you.
As our journey as social media marketing interns concludes, I'd like to thank you all for being an amazingly talented team of individuals and mentors. Not only provided a positive, fun working environment, but I would also like to commend the camaraderie between our female teammates, which showed that we could support, share and uplift each other with no uppermanship. And there was no greater feeling, so I feel really sad that this partnership is now drawing to an end. The professionalism, talent, dedication, team spirit in which we have collaborated on team initiatives will not be forgotten, and I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you so much for embarking on this journey with me. As our journey as social media marketing interns concludes,
being a social media marketing intern at Culture Elegance was a great opportunity in itself because it helped me to enhance my creative as well as critical thinking skills. Furthermore, during the course of the internship, I got a great exposure because of which I was able to make good and healthy connections since everyone in the team were quite cooperative and friendly with each other. In conclusion, I would say that I got to learn various new aspects from everyone in the team, which were quite insightful and fruitful and which will definitely help me in the long run.
Hi everyone, my name is Kavika Murli. I am from South Africa and I have just completed my social media marketing internship with Culture Legends. The past month has been absolutely amazing. I have learned so much working with some incredible people. I would like to thank my mentors, Karthi and Nandini, for always supporting my ideas and my creativity. I will forever be grateful to Culture Legends for this opportunity as it has laid the foundation for my professional career and it will forever hold a special place in my heart. So thank you to everyone at the Culture Legends team for this amazing opportunity.